Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play WoW PvP easy method. Start by choosing a class and specialization that fits your timing and reaction speed, then learn one arena or battleground map deeply and practice your opener. Focus on managing crowd control, defensive and offensive cooldowns, and always communicate target swaps with teammates. Small habits like precasting defensives and tracking enemy interrupts will win you more matches and reduce tilt. In this video, I will show how to play WoW PvP easy method. Understand core mechanics like positioning, line of sight, and crowd control priority, then make them routine. Practice timing interrupts and stuns while watching enemy resources such as mana or energy. Use terrain to create ambushes or peel for allies, and always plan an exit or reposition when key cooldowns are down. These basics create consistent wins without relying on gear alone. In this video, I will show how to play WoW PvP easy method. Build a minimal rotation with clear priority abilities so you perform under pressure without thinking too much. Time offensive cooldowns to overlap with teammates and hold a defensive for enemy burst or crowd control chains. Practice leading with crowd control, follow-ups, and always ask for teammate coordination on kill windows. Consistency beats flashy plays in PvP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.